Hello there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle. Do you want to manifest a new reality for yourself but need help figuring out where to start? Or perhaps you've heard of other manifestation techniques but want a beginner's guide to Neville Goddard's technique? You've come to the right place. We'll break down Goddard's techniques so you can start manifesting no matter your experience level. Neville Goddard was a fantastic author and teacher who believed that we could create our dream reality by using our imagination. So, if you're ready to try it, the first step is to sit down and write out what you want your reality to look like. It's essential not to get hung up on the little details of how this will come to reality. Right now, it's key to let your imagination lead the way. Anytime you feel resistance, allow yourself to dismiss those limiting thoughts and know that you are your only limitation. This method is a fun and freeing way to manifest. Once you've released your imagination, the first step is to decide what you want and write it down. There is power in taking your vision and bringing it into our 3D world when we put pen to paper. Do your best not to skimp on the details. Feel free to write your desires several times. Put it throughout your home if you feel called to do so. Have you heard about living in the end? It's a unique approach to manifesting that was developed by Neville Goddard. Put simply, if we can fully immerse ourselves in the emotions of already having our desire and embrace them as truth, our vision will manifest as our reality. So, a crucial part of the process is regularly checking in with ourselves and using every ounce of our imagination to feel what it would be like to have what we wrote down. It's a powerful way to bring our goals and dreams to fruition. Step 4 is all about persistence. No matter what our circumstances may look like, it's essential to keep practicing what it feels like to have our desire already. Neville Goddard believed that the universe is more flexible than we give it credit for. So if we have doubts or feel our goal is out of reach, it's our job to leave those limiting beliefs behind. Then focus on the assumption that our dream is already ours. It may take some time and effort, but if we stay focused and keep resonating with that positive energy, we can make it happen. As a beginner, you may be frustrated or even doubt the process. That's okay and completely normal. But reframing our mindset when those feelings creep in is essential. We recommend going back to the visualization step. Our imagination is powerful and helps us connect with the feeling of having what we desire. Then, when we connect with that feeling, we can stay on track with the method. The fifth and final step is all about receiving our manifestation. Again, it's essential to keep an open mind and accept our new reality, even if it might look not exactly how we imagined it initially. Remember, our desires will manifest before us, so it's important to stay observant and look for these subtle shifts in our reality that might not be immediately apparent. Sometimes it takes a little more time to fully manifest, so keep going even if you don't see immediate results. Instead, just trust the process and keep an open mind, and you'll eventually see your dreams come to life. As a beginner, some steps may be challenging, so here's what you can do if you're not seeing results. First, remember that your thoughts and words are powerful. Goddard's method primarily focuses on living in the end and the feelings associated with that. He invented the law of assumption, which means that what we assume becomes our reality. If our assumption is that this method won't work, or we just aren't talented enough to do it, that's the reality we'll create. Remind yourself that you're a powerful being with the gift of imagination. Use that to your advantage and regularly connect with your vision. You have the power to be an artist of your own life. Your mind's eye is the canvas, and you can use your imagination to paint the reality you want. So why not see what you can manifest using Goddard's method? We'd love to hear about your goals and dreams in the comments, so don't be shy. Whether you want to manifest more abundance, better health, or a more profound sense of purpose, we created this channel to support you every step of the way. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.